grounded Boeing 737 MAX from its schedule during the peak summer travel season. The airline says it will also drop about 9% of its planned flights as a result of the move. Southwest says it's taking the plane out of the schedule through August 10th. It previously removed the MAX from its schedule through June 6th. Southwest was flying 34 737 MAXes and was expected to receive more when the planes were grounded worldwide after 2 fatal crashes. On Wall Street today, the Dow was down 128 points. You're listening to NPR.
Support for NPR comes from NPR stations. Other contributors include the Skoll Foundation, partnering with social entrepreneurs and innovators around the world to accelerate transformative solutions to the world's most pressing problems. Learn more at skoll.org.
This is CPR News. I'm Joanne Allen. State lawmakers voted today to advance new vaping regulations. CPR's John Daly reports.
If approved, the bill would create a statewide licensing process to sell tobacco and nicotine products, and it would close a loophole that lets minors purchase those products online. 9-year-old Audrey Rosen from Broomfield told lawmakers how easy it is to buy vaping products online, even if you're underage.
The tobacco companies have targeted people like me because we are young.
Some businesses say the new rules are too burdensome. Others worry it'll result in high